Yeah. The girl in the cell next to mine can sing a note so very clean. A T to E to D just like a guitar string. I often dream about her, yes, about just every night. Do I'm sure to these bars as she surely ain't no sight. The man across the way can hum, his vibration will blow your mind. They reflect his feel so truly that in others they reside. He loves to tell us stories in the dismal cold dark night. His words sink in deep and take the sadness from our minds. If you could hear our melody, your ears would be wanting more. Confinement makes for practice time, we mastered every score. It's more than a shame, no free men's ears. We'll be swaying to our beats until we hang. The Four Unsung gang plays only for relief. The soul who rarely speaks in the corner cell to which we're blind bounces stones upon the walls, a stone to which he is confined. His rhythm for an older cat, well, he's doing more than fine. Her patience almost got to in for such a captive guy. I fancy myself a whistling lad, never do I misplace a tweet. Make it collide with the other vibes, keep a rhythm with my feet. I write the rhymes we place in time with the smooth methodic beats. A task I enjoy immensely, as a poet's what I be. If you could hear a melody, your ears would be wanting more. Confinement makes for practice time, we've mastered every score. It's more than a shame, no free men's ears. We'll be swaying to our beats until we hang. The Four Unsung gang plays only